What's going on, guys? It's BNG Garage coming back at it again, and today we have a cold air intake to install in the Challenger. So let's see if it adds horsepower or not. I want to unbox this already. So disconnect the negative battery terminal, loosen the hose clamp.
Come on, Brian.
You ever realized that you weren't holding an 8, you were holding a 7?
Alright, yeah, we'll get back to you when this thing's off. Right,
We got 3 more hours.
I'll help you. The fuck was that, Brian? Oh shit. What was that, bro? Did you drop the screw?
Maybe.
Oh, you dumbass.
Fuck me sideways and call me Sweet Aunt Sally.
Alright guys, we just got the air box out. Only lost what, like 2 screws?
1.
1 screw?
But I caught it.
Let's show me shit.
Alright, let's keep going. Oh, this. Wow, hold on. If I could take that off. Wait, there's still something on there.
2 hours later. 6.5 hours later.
Right now. We got other.
Bro, it's shit
It's
off.
out, it's out. Yeah! We got it!
Alright,
Look at this
so for
fucking
you guys
shit,
to
bro.
know, this clip was so hard to push up, you have to go from underneath and push it up. Our dumbasses were just pulling.
Tell me what we're doing right now.
Basically, we're going to be assembling this together,
Yeah.
and then we're going to screw it in and put it in place and then keep going from there. And then we got to install the intake and the hoses and
Yes,
everything.
sir. Alright, guys. Brian's a little stressed out, having a little bit of technical difficulties,
A lot.
but we're about to throw the shield in right now. We'll tune back in when it's in and bolted, hopefully. If we have any problems, we'll be back. Alright, Brian, tell him our situation, man.
So retard 101. So when the instruction says put it underside, don't try to freaking hillbilly whatever. I don't even know how to explain it. So you're supposed to actually put this shit
This whole time we've been
underneath.
freaking
I can't.
trying to bolt on like this
Yeah,
when
we
it's
even
supposed
went
to be underneath.
opposite, which was the stupidest thing I've ever done in my life.
Alright guys, we're about almost done. What, like another 4 hours?
Dude,
Having a little bit of technical difficulties for
One
the
thing-
6,000th time.
you gotta know with these cars, with any car, read instructions, man. It saves you so much fucking time. Don't be a
Yeah, we try to
"Oh, I
wing
know what I'm
it.
doing."
We try to wing it.
That never
We
works.
fucking did everything wrong.
Yeah.
But it's alright, we're getting there. Finally got everything in place. All we gotta do is throw that fat ass intake in.
Cross your fingers, nothing else goes wrong.
For real.
Alright, let's get it.
Is everything tight?
I believe so. If not, we'll find out in a couple minutes.
Yes, sir. And then we're gonna give you guys like a little,
drive-by.
see if we can see a difference or not.
Alright guys, gonna put in the finishing touches. And I think that's it after this. Then you gotta twist it first.
Alright, first startup with the cold air intake. Rip it up. Again.
That's just my head or not?
What?
Sounds more like beady, I guess, if that makes
I
sense.
can tell you. No, you're right. Alright, you wanna go for a little drive?
Yeah.
Hellcat boys.
Oh, it's a Hellcat.
Alright, that was the first pull with the intake on. What'd you think, Brian?
I don't know, bro. It feels the same.
Oh yeah, Brian, feeling them shifts?
Bro,
We're gonna do a 0 to 60 pull right now.
if we
Here we
have
go,
room,
got it set up.
if we don't have room, we're not doing it. So.
Damn, that shit felt nice.
It felt nice, but it wasn't nice.
What'd you do?
Not good.
What'd you do?
Yeah, but it's because it's 90 degrees.
What'd you do?
I did like 10 seconds. No, I'm kidding. 7. But
7? That was fucking awful, bro.
the pop was nice though. The pop was nice though. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3.
So good as